Now that the veil has been lifted on the fresh 5 Series, our comprehension of the forthcoming G90 BMW M5, belonging to the next generation, has significantly improved. Naturally, we don't possess precise knowledge of its appearance, as it will incorporate alterations to the standard 5 Series design. With that, Kolesa has rendered a few photos predicting what the new M5 will look like. Nevertheless, thanks to some recently surfaced spy videos, we now have a much clearer notion of the M5's distinctive design, which exudes an aggressive demeanor. The primary visual impression derived from these videos is centered around the front end of the BMW M5. From what we can perceive, the M5 will adopt the same kidney grille configuration as the standard 5 Series. Although it may exhibit a different insert featuring varying grille slats, the overall design appears to be unchanged. It was expected to bear resemblance, as BMW informed us during the launch of the new 5 Series, yet witnessing it visually provides satisfying confirmation. Consequently, the BMW M5 will deviate from the trend established by M cars, which tend to feature distinct grilles compared to their non-M counterparts. This trend originated with the M3 and extended to the M2. Given that the 5 Series grille represents one of BMW's most successful recent attempts, this revelation is undoubtedly delightful news. Furthermore, these videos unveil the front bumper of the BMW M5, allowing us to observe the presence of its front air intakes. These intakes adopt a rather trapezoidal shape, positioned below the kidney grilles, and appear fairly pleasing at this stage. However, a conclusive judgment on their effectiveness can only be made when examining the car in person, considering the interplay of light and shadows. As for the interior, the BMW M5 exhibits a striking resemblance to the 5 Series, which isn't surprising. It is customary for M cars to share similar interiors with their non-M counterparts. Consequently, it features the same iDrive 8.5 system, the identical digital gauges, albeit with an M user interface, and a comparable steering wheel. While its sportiness may not be distinctly evident compared to the standard vehicle, it's important to note that the M5 is still in the development phase, and the test mule's interior is concealed under camouflage, rendering its full appearance concealed from view. This forthcoming iteration of the BMW M5 garners significant intrigue, as it marks the first legitimate M car to incorporate a hybrid powertrain promising ludicrous speed, potentially reaching a remarkable 750 horsepower. Technically, the BMW XM claims the title of being the initial hybrid M car. However, it is a 3-ton luxury SUV, primarily focused on rear seat comfort. In contrast, the M5 embodies the true essence of an M car, and we eagerly anticipate witnessing the prowess of its hybrid powertrain